Guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video to teach you how to remove the dip nail powder. So basically you use the drill that I attached in the previous video. You're going to use it to take the shine, the clear coat that's on the nails, to take it off. And then I filled my little cubby here that you can actually get from Amazon as well. It comes off. It's a two-part. I would remove it and show you, but I have acetone in here already so that I can soak off the powder. But since it's a two-part, you would fill this part up with hot water, and then when you attach the top part, you're going to fill it up with acetone. I'll take a picture and show it at the end of the video so you can see it. And like I said, you're going to start with the drill and you're going to buff off the clear gel. Now, if you don't have a drill, that's fine. You can use a nail file. Use a nail file to buff off the clear gel. Doesn't have to be perfect, just majority needs to be off. And you'll see that it comes off. See? It's no longer glossy compared to that one. And you're gonna do the rest of them like this. See? And it looks like that. It looks ugly, I know, but that's what it is. Also, guys, if you see my last video, you see the date on it. That's when I actually did them. You see how long they have lasted, because I'm putting this video up now when I'm taking them off. So it's been a really long time that they last. I had no lifting, no breakage, nothing. If you do it properly, they will last you. So that's why I decided to share with you how to take it off now. You could do it as often as you want. When you do your own nails, you could change it up as often as you want. You don't have to wait for them to grow out. You could change your color, do whatever you want. So I just wanted to share with you guys exactly how you take them off, because it's really simple. So just continue watching. Now we're gonna start on the other hand. And that's it, guys. See how they look? Now I'm just going to put them in this little cubby, let them soak off for a little while, and then I'll show you how it starts to look with time, because you have to soak them for at least 15-20 minutes. So I'll show you how they start to look as we go along, and you'll see for yourself. Oh, now keep in mind, if you have any cuts on your fingers, cuticles, hangnails, anything, this acetone will burn. It's gonna sting a little bit, but you'll get over it. It'll pass. And don't mind my hair like this, guys. This is like my home comfy look, you know. I think every female rocks a bun, but stick around and I'll show you how this ends up looking, okay? Okay, guys, so I haven't taken it out. I'm going to for the first time now. And as you can see, it's soaking off. Now what happens with this is that you take a paper towel and you just wipe it off. And the powder, which is now like a glue, just wipes right off of your nail. See? Now, of course, there'll still be some glue there, so you'll just re-soak it for the remainder of it to come off. But for the most part, it came off. So we'll go back to re-soaking for a little bit longer. Okay guys, here we go. All done. It all came off. Now just wipe them down. And get ready to do the next hand. In we go. Okay guys, here we go. Almost. Damn it, I forgot to take this gum out. I don't like chewing gum on camera. Just looks, I don't know, not right. But we have some to go. It gets a little messy, don't mind it. I'll continue soaking. And when it's all done, I'll show you guys. And that's it guys. That's how you take it off. The end.